Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a lollipop gun. First, gather your simple materials. You'll need 3 standard popsicle sticks, 1 spring-loaded clothespin, and 2 small rubber bands. Also, grab a tiny piece of adhesive tape, and of course, your favorite lollipop. These common items are easily found around the house or at any craft store, making this a super accessible and fun project for everyone to try out. Now, let's build the main body of our lollipop launcher. Take 2 of your popsicle sticks and align them perfectly. Use one of your rubber bands to tightly bind them together at one end, creating a sturdy base. Next, attach the clothespin to the opposite end of these 2 sticks, securing it firmly with the second rubber band. Make sure the clothespin's gripping end points outwards, ready for action. For the firing mechanism, take your third popsicle stick. Carefully slide it in between the 2 stacked sticks you just assembled, allowing it to extend a few inches past the clothespin. This stick will serve a dual purpose. It's both your trigger and the barrel. Use that small piece of tape to secure this third stick loosely near the clothespin, ensuring it can still slide freely for optimal launching power. Finally, it's time to load and launch. Gently place your lollipop stick into the open jaws of the clothespin, ensuring it rests on the third popsicle stick. To fire, simply pull back on that third stick, which will release the clothespin and send your lollipop flying. Remember, always practice responsible play. Aim away from people, pets, and anything breakable. Have fun with your new, easy-to-make lollipop gun.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.